Hello, boys and girls. This week we are learning about doubles. Now, let's get started.
Make your brain and body strong. Adding doubles, it's no trouble. You add two numbers, same as each other. Let's sing and learn them now. The numbers are the same. Have fun and practice, and you'll keep them in your brain. Let's add doubles. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Adding doubles, it's no trouble. You add two numbers, same as each other. Let's sing and learn them now. The numbers are the same. Have fun and practice, and you'll keep them in your brain. Let's add doubles. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 7 plus 7 equals 14. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Adding doubles, it's no trouble.
Okay, so after watching that video, boys and girls, let's have a look at what are doubles. And after that video, you would have seen what Jack Hartman said. It's a number and they are the same, two of the same numbers. You're adding two of the same numbers. So for example, if I have 3 in this hand, I have to have 3 in this hand, and 3 plus 3 is 6. So doubles, it always has to be the same number. It's basically just adding two of the same numbers together. This is Double Trouble Ladybird, and we are going to do some fun activities with Double Trouble Ladybird. Let's have a look. Double Trouble Ladybird has 4 pink spots. She wants us to double them. So, what do I do? Good job. I give her another 4. And if I look at that, now Double Trouble Ladybird is saying, how many spots do I have? She no longer has just 4 spots because we doubled the 4. Can you see that there's the same amount of spots on each side? So 4 plus 4 equals 8, or we can say 4 doubled is 8. Let's have a look. Double Trouble Ladybird has some diamonds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grade 2s, when you're counting like this, what is another way you could count these diamonds? In groups of 2, you could say 2, 4, 6. Good job. So Double Trouble Ladybird wants her spots doubled. How many spots do I put on the other side? Good job. I put 6, exactly the same. So now I have 6 spots on each side. How many spots does Double Trouble Ladybird have now? After we've counted, if you need to count, you will see that 6 plus 6 equals 12, or 6 doubled is 12. There's 2 ways you can say it. Double Trouble Ladybird has now developed some stars. Let's figure out how many stars she's got. I want you to count in 2s for me. Do you find 8 stars as well? Good job. Now, after counting in 2s, because we can count in 2s very well now, how many stars do I put on the other side of Double Trouble Ladybird? I put 8. Good job. So now, boys and girls, what will my sum look like? I have 8 stars on the one side and 8 stars on the other side, and I add them together. I say 8 plus 8 equals 16, or 8 doubled is 16. Do you notice, boys and girls, that it's the same number being added to each other every single time? And this is what doubling is. So let's go through. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 9 is 18. And I'm going to move me up there. 10 plus 10 is 20. Boys and girls, do you notice a pattern? Let's look at this side first. Look at just the numbers at the end. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Do you notice that that is counting in twos, just like our 2 times table? And it's 2 numbers of the same added together. So it's 2 groups of the same number. So it's just like counting in twos over here. Good job. So these are very easy, and I would like you to try and learn these off by heart. And then on this next slide, I've got some examples. So you're going to go through these and come up and write your own answers, and then we're going to check them. So pause the video. Right, good job, boys and girls. Let's check. 4 plus 4 is 8. 9 plus 9. Now you may always use counters or pictures if you need help. With the bigger numbers especially, like 12 plus 12 is 24. And 6 plus 6 is 12. 11 plus 11 is 22. And that's in our 11 times table, boys and girls. Our 2 times table, sorry. We say 11 times 2 is 22. And 3 plus 3 is 6. So good job, boys and girls. Let's have a look at your activity for this week. So the first one I have done for you. It says double 1. So you put 1 spot here, and I want you to double it. So 1 double 1 is 2. We just take 1 spot and put it on the other side. And then your sum is 1 plus 1 equals 2. Miss Smith has already drawn the dots here. I'm going to quickly take them away and we can do it together. Okay, so double 6 means you need to draw 6 spots on the side for Ladybird. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So double 6 means 6 on this side, 6 on that side. Then you will do your sum, boys and girls. 6, and you will write 6 plus 6 equals, and once you've worked it out, you will see that once you've got 6 spots on this side and 6 spots on this side, the answer is 12. And that's how you will complete this activity this week. Please don't forget your sum underneath each butterfly or under each insect.